Alright, so I made it as far as Maryland so far. I got about an hour and a half on the road to get to the hotel, staying in Alexandria, Virginia tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to hit up Washington, D.C., get out to the north and south Pentagon parking lots. From what I understand, the bike run doesn't take off till 12 o'clock. So I don't know what time I'm going to show up, but I think I'll be there by 7 o'clock and be hanging out until 12. If anybody sees me out there, hit me up. In the meantime, I'll finish my coffee, get on the bike, and make it to the hotel tonight. Call it a day, man. It's been a long day.